In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wayfair Rewards. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply your reward dollars at checkout so you can save instantly on your purchase. Rewards on Wayfair work like cash, which means every dollar of rewards equals $1 off your order total. It's simple, fast, and a great way to stretch your budget. First, add the item you want to your cart. Browse to the product page, double-check the size, color, and quantity, and then select Add to Cart. Taking a moment here to confirm the details helps avoid changes later, which can sometimes affect how discounts apply. Next, head to Checkout. From your cart, click Checkout to move into the secure payment flow. If you have rewards available, make sure you're signed in to the account that earned them so they'll appear automatically during checkout. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're in the checkout flow, go to the Order Summary section. This is typically on the right side on desktop or near the bottom on mobile. The order summary shows a breakdown of your subtotal, shipping, taxes, and any discounts. This is the area where you'll apply your rewards and immediately see how they impact your total. Look for the option labeled Apply Rewards or Reward Dollars. This is where any available reward balance will be shown. If you see an available amount, that means it's ready to use. Click Apply to add your reward dollars to the order. You don't need to type in a special code, just confirm the application. Since rewards work like cash, if you have $5 in rewards, you'll get $5 off, and so on, up to your available balance. After you click Apply, watch the order summary update. You should see a line showing the rewards applied and a new total reflecting the discount. This confirmation is your cue that the savings have been successfully added. If you don't see a change, double-check that you're signed in and that you actually have a rewards balance on the account. With your discount in place, you're ready to place your order. Review your shipping address, delivery options, and payment method, then confirm the purchase. Your savings are already calculated into the final total, so the amount you see after applying rewards is exactly what you'll pay. That's it. Add to cart, check out, apply rewards, see the discount, and place your order. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.